Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. WindStorm T-top boat covers by Eevelle are a high-end line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America and rated #1 in customer satisfaction. Windstorm covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm T-top boat covers are manufactured with Marinex marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Windstorm boat covers come with a 7-year warranty and are handmade from Marinex 600D 6.9-ounce solution-dyed polyester, with UV coating and rot-proof double-stitched seams. Windstorm covers are available in a variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. All Windstorm Elite covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. Windstorm boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. Windstorm covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm T-top boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with solution-dyed marine-grade fabric, designed to provide years of quality protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.